This Sunday from noon to 4, explore the flavorful, enticing world of Taiwanese cuisine at the second food festival of the annual Taiwanese American Heritage Celebration. See food demonstrations and delight your taste buds with dishes like zhong, red sticky rice, meat and mushrooms artistically wrapped in a bamboo leaf; kwa bao, meat and vegetables wrapped in a special bread; and desserts like pineapple cake and soufflé cheesecake, all well known in Taiwan but not commonly available in St. Louis. Bubble tea and Taiwanese lager are available, plus kavalan, the award-winning single malt whiskey made with Taiwan's snow mountain water. Festival admission is free, with nominal charges for food and drinks, sponsored by the Taiwanese Association of America and the North America Taiwanese Women Association, both in St. Louis, and supported by Cadeau, where life meets wealth. This Sunday, noon to 4, at the Mandarin House Banquet Center, 8004 Olive Boulevard in U City. This Sunday, noon to 4, at the Mandarin House Banquet Center, 8004 Olive Boulevard in U City. This Sunday, noon to 4, at the Mandarin House Banquet Center, 8004 Olive Boulevard in U City.